Fans, Flova AI has now integrated Seedance 2.5, bringing powerful AI tools generating directly into the creative workflow. With video generation from just $0.02 per second, you can turn a simple ideas, product images, and creative concepts into engaging videos without expensive production setup. In this video, I will show you how you can make AI marketing video. So let's watch the full video.
Tired of dull and tired-looking skin? I found something that actually works. This is A+ Beauty Cream, made to give you soft, smooth, and glowing skin. I use it every morning and night. It's light, it absorbs fast, and it doesn't feel greasy. In just a few days, my skin feels softer and looks brighter. Look at that glow. This is the real difference A+ Beauty Cream makes. Try A+ Beauty Cream today.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to explore amazing platform Flova AI. Flova, your personal AI video agent partner. So friends, in Flova AI, you can generate amazing AI videos. This is a complete workflow. In Flova AI, you can generate lots of videos. So here are the multiple tools that you can use. Here are the images GPT-MA 2.0, Nano Banana, and other tools that you can use. In videos, you can also use Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0, and other tools. In music, you can also use different tools. In audio, you can also use different tools. So here, you can also use the different scales according to your work. You can choose a scale and you can add. So here, you can also upload your images, audios, videos, and you want to add in the video, you can add it easily. So friends, today we are going to generate AI marketing video. So how we can generate amazing AI marketing video? For the full video, I will explain everything for you. So first of all, we need a complete brief so that we can generate amazing video for you. Friends, here is brief. I have a product. My product name is A+ Beauty Cream. I want to generate 30-second AI commercial. Here's a full production script that I will use in Flova AI and Seedance 2.5. Product name A+ Beauty Cream. Product type face and skin beauty cream. Ad duration is 30 seconds. Aspect ratio 16.9. Resolution 1080p. Video format MP4. Character female model 25 years old. Natural glowing skin look. We will use tool Flova AI and Seedance 2.5. Our target audiences USA, UK, Canada, and other European countries. So here are the video specifications that you can also check out. We will add dialogue, soft background music with dialogues. And we will generate a complete marketing video. Here's add-on skip. We will use different prompts here. Let's start. So friend, first of all, I will attach my brief. So I have added the brief. After that, I will choose the model Seedance 2.5. I will choose a related scale here. So here are the different scales. So here I will use product promo video. So friends, I have added brief and I have select Seedance 2.5 model and add the scale. So now time to generate the video. So let's start. Friends, here is the canvas mode and you can check out the process has been started and we will see all video generation process here. So friends, storyboard is updated and here we can check out the storyboard and here is option we can review. The 30-second commercial storyboard is ready, so we can approve the storyboard. After storyboard, now generating media assets. So we are generating product image now. The amazing thing is that Flova AI generate everything yourself. So here are the characters and we will check out the characters and product image. And after that we will move forward. Here is character, here is the product image and other visuals that you can check out. I will approve these all references, so I am satisfied and then we can move forward. If you want to edit something, here you can write your idea and Flova AI will generate according to your idea. But I am satisfied and we will move forward. Friends, in the storyboard you can check out all your process here. Step by step, Flova are now generating video shorts. So friends, during video generation, here is the option create a voiceover and music, revise the video short. So I will definitely go with create the voiceover and music. So I will select and then I will click on the send button. Here you can check out the process has been started again. Now the audio generation process has been started and Flova AI generating audio BGM. So friends, after audio generation, you can check out your audio. If you like this, you can move forward. If you want to change, then you can change it easily. Here are the different audios that you can check out. So friends, I'm satisfied and we will move forward. So friends, the video is ready. Let's check out.
Tired of dull and tired-looking skin? I found something that actually works. This is A+ Beauty Cream, made to give you soft, smooth, and glowing skin. I use it every morning and night. It's light, it absorbs fast, and it doesn't feel greasy. In just a few days, my skin feels softer and looks brighter. Look at that glow. This is the real difference A+ Beauty Cream makes. Try A+ Beauty Cream today.
Wow, the ads looks really amazing friends. We can edit this ad and we can make it more professional and we can add sub effects. So dear friends, Flova have a beauty that the visual consistency, character consistency looks really amazing. So friends, if you want to edit your video, you can also edit here. Edit the visuals, you can edit the scenes and even adjust the audio. Here are the options if you want to cut something, so you can also use the different tools here. If you have audience from a different countries and you want to generate ad for your country, so you can also generate a complete ad. But you want that I will change this ad in any other language. For the localizations, I can change it. Friends, I want to change this ad. For example, my audience living in France. So I want to change this ad in French language. I have added, I want to change this ad in French language. So process has been started. Here is a final video specification that you can check out. The storyboard is updated. So here are the option, generate the French version. Devise the French narration. So I will go with generate the French version. Just in a few steps, the ad will be ready. You can change your ad in any language according to your local audience. Friends, the ad has been converted in French language. So let's watch it.
Fatigué d'avoir une peau terne et fatigué? J'ai découvert un secret qui fonctionne vraiment. Voici la crème de beauté A+. Elle redonne à votre peau douceur, lissage et un éclat incomparable. Je l'utilise chaque matin et soir. Sa texture légère pénètre instantanément, sans aucun effet gras. En quelques jours, ma peau est visiblement plus douce et lumineuse. Regardez ce fini glowy et hydraté. C'est la magie de la crème de beauté A+.
So friends, as you can see, the ad looks really amazing. So you can also change the ad in any language, and then you can export here. Here's the option that you can export your ad. Friends, because in the start of the video I already explained that my audience have from European countries like USA, UK and other European countries. And now I will add the captions in the video so that I can make it more professional. You can also add the captions by using different tools. Friends, after caption edit, now we can watch full and final video. So let's watch the video.
Tired of dull and tired-looking skin? I found something that actually works. This is A+ Beauty Cream, made to give you soft, smooth, and glowing skin. I use it every morning and night. It's light, it absorbs fast, and it doesn't feel greasy. In just a few days, my skin feels softer and looks brighter. Look at that glow. This is the real difference A+ Beauty Cream makes. Try A+ Beauty Cream today.
Friends, after all done, we can save our workflow here. Here is the option, you can save all files in the future. If you want to change something, if you want to reuse it, you can reuse it easily. No need to start from the scratch. So friends, here you can export your all files and you can reuse it in any time. So click on the all files. So files has been saved. Here you can check out this is all your workflow and you can use it anytime, anywhere. And also in your Flova AI account, in your project history, you can check out this is the complete workflow that you can edit. Again, if you want to change something, you can use it and you can generate what you want. So your complete workflow is saved and skill fresh. If you want to make amazing videos, you need to get some subscription here. So here are the discount offers. Check out the Flova pricing and plans. Here are the starter plan, basic plan, plus plans, and pro plans. You can upgrade your account and you can work smoothly and generate amazing AI videos. So I will provide you link in the video description. You can go and you can start your work. So friends, thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video.